given word. So I'm going to take up, what is that example? Choice example 1.py. See students, carefully follow ma. So without exciting, carefully follow. S is equal to what? S is equal to Python. I'm just writing it. What I'm saying there, for I in range of 1 comma 5. And 5 times I'm going to print what? Choice of what? Yes. Take care. Take care, students. Execute. Execute. Py. I'm going to write it. R is going to be there. Of course, I need to go for what? Import random as R. Random as R. So go for that. Py. Here it is going to give you some sort of not visible properly. Say dot format of what? Yes, I will take it. So see that what happens. Format of R dot choice. Ma? Yeah, curly brace is important. I did not. Curly brace is important. Go to that. This is our data coming. You print it once again. See that. See that now. It is going to give you different type of choice values or not. Now, let me go for one important logic. It's very simple for you. Now, same thing. Try to follow me carefully. Now I am writing, students. Take care. Wherever you come across, now I am taking ALPHS. ALPHS alphabets. What is the alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. After a long time, I am typing alphabets. So next I am taking what? Digits. Digits is equal to what? Digits is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Digits. Next is called what? Special symbols. Special symbols. SS. Special symbols is equal to some special symbols I am entering, students, which are there in the keyboard. I'm just writing some special symbols. That's all. Now I want to print some whatever you take it, whether you take a captcha code or whatever you take it. Suppose I want one captcha code. My interest is to generate the captcha code. Choice example 2. What is my example I am expecting? For example, A, K, 4, something like this. This is my captcha code. And a captcha code is not pre-designed. It is a randomized value. It is going to come. How do you generate that kind of thing? What should I do? Select one from this alphabet. Suppose I want 2 alphabets from this. One digit I want and one special symbol I want. What to do? For please generate 5 sample things. How do you do? For I in range of 1 comma 6. Print of. So I say R dot. Come on, students. Choice of ALPHS. One alphabet I want. One alphabet means what? One str data, that is. Next is called what? What is that next I am taking? One digit I want. What I will do again? R dot what? Choice of what? Choice of what? Digit. Digit. Okay. Digits. Okay. Next I will do what? Plus R dot choice of one more alphabet you want. One more alphabet you want. First alphabet, one digit, one alphabet, another alphabet. Plus what I want to do? R dot what? Choice of what? What is that? SS you say. SS you say. This is my choice of captcha code. It is up to you. You can generate whatever the fashion of captcha code you want. You see that, students. You go for it. And don't expect that what is the captcha code which I wrote it there. Don't expect that. That is going to come like that. Any kind of randomized captcha code, it will come. Execute, students, PY. See that. What is coming? Some sort of values are coming. How many are coming? some numbers are coming, some number of values are coming. You enter whatever you like it. You enter whatever you like it. Are you able to follow? So these are all comes under what? It is up to your choice. You can give whatever you like it. Able to get it or not? Yes. So like this you can go for selecting. Even if you want to include some small alphabets also, you can include in middle of it. Small alphabets you want to write, you write what? Small a, capital A, small b, capital B. Like that also you can take it. Easy or difficult? Easy. Easy. Suppose next one more example I want to take it. One more example I want to take it. Take care. Now I will take it like this. Now I want to take it. Choice example 3. Choice example 3. So previous example once more. Random character. Some random something like a captcha code data. Something like this. I just want to take it. Now I want to take it. One more type of thing I am taking students here. I want to take a random. After 2 minutes I will fill it up. What is my intention is? What is my intention is? Here I am writing alphas okay, numbers okay. This I don't want to take it. What is my intention is? R dot choice of remove. I want to take it something like this. What I am taking? UC I am taking. LST is equal to TS and next is called AP. AP. What is this TS and AP? Go to this place. Go to this place. LST is equal to TS, AP and KAR Karnataka, and next is called MH. Like this I took it. What is that? R dot what? Choice of what? LST. Anyone is going to come or not? Anyone is going to come. Anyone is going to come, students. So there is no rule that only one thing is coming. From list also you can select any one. Okay. Come to the point back. Now I am saying 1 to 11 I will say. I want to generate a number plate. Number plate series is there, not TS. Like that I want to generate. Tell me, what should I do? R dot, come on, choice of, okay, plus, after that what? 2 digits I want. Come on, R dot, choice of what? Digits. Okay. One more digit. After that one more digit I want. What I will do? Digits. After that what? 2 alphabets I want. Suppose your vehicle number is TS08 HF 8558. It is our number. TS is going to come. Either AP something like 39, AD something like 6678, like this. What is the first thing? From this place either TS or AP will come. 2 digits means what? Any one of the digit will come. Right or not? After that what I want? 2 alphabets I want. Plus how many digits I want? According to that I need to go for it. Understand, students? Well, after a few minutes I will go for simplifying in a simple manner. I will give you. Okay, don't worry about it. Come on, tell me. First you need to have the plan of action of what is that number plate. Okay. Next I will go for what? 2 digits. After that what? Come on. R dot. Choice of. Okay. Alphas. ALPHS. PH. Okay. Again I will say the same, right? Again I will say the same. Okay. Next. R dot digit. How many times? 4 times. So R dot digit 4 times. Okay. So I will say here at the end of it. Plus what I will do? Right. Finished. Are you okay, students? Now execute. So go for that. Yes. Execute students py. See that now. Are you getting or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Suppose you want this 47 AP 25 I don't want. Suppose you want selected things. What I will do? Digits I don't want. I will take this is LST1 student. LST2. LST2 you are selected code you want, RTA code you want. 08 08 is 1. Next is called what you know 09 09 and next you are going to take it 39. You are going to take like this. And next 07 like this you are taking. So 2 digits place. After this LST1, what should I write it here? Tell me ma. LST2. Any one of the number will come or not? So I need not write these digits. Understand students? So definitely alphas are compulsory, 2 alphas will come. And the digits will be how many? R dot alpha, R dot alpha. 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Execute it now. Amma? LS. Okay. LST1 and LST2. You see that now? AP08, AP07, D39, TS, etc. Exactly looking like same. Go for that. Saurav Kale. Follow me. Are you following me? So, are you able to understand this? You take your passport number. Passport. PAN card numbers you take it. APK09 something, different things will come or not? So, are you following? Right. Saurav Kale is following. Now I will go for, you take your, what do you call, ATM card PIN number generation. PIN generation, what is that? Random things. Correct or not? Yes. These are all called what? Random number generations. Easy or difficult? Wherever randomized data you want, you go for using this. You can do everything, you can solve it. Simple students? Yes. Go to the place and I will go to this. Aadhaar card numbers. Yes. Abhishek. Yes. Unique numbers. But what is my unique numbers? Here, definitely what is going to come? Such a big numbers. No duplicate numbers will come. If at all you want, you can go for what? You can check for duplicates also. You can check for inno, not inno. You can go for inno, not inno. Inni, if it is already present, don't display. If it is not in, then only you display. You apply your intelligence, you can display. How do you check whether it is already there or not there? In, true means already there. If it is not there, you generate it. Otherwise, don't generate it. Abhishek, are you following that? So, this is generating random RTA. RTA values. Random RTA values. Are you following me? Good. So, this is about which function, students? Choice function. What is the syntax? Random dot choice of. What is this now? Iterable object. What object it is? Iterable object. Iterable object. It is going to give you any one of the value from the specified. Easy or difficult? Easy. Let's go to the most important thing, which is called what? Shuffle. Shuffle. Do you know shuffling? When you are playing deck of cards, what is happening? Are you shuffling or not? Shuffling. Shuffling means what? Reorganizing the data. If you take online games, for example, some number series games you are playing, what is happening? When you are starting the game, previous already you played the game, same numbers will be present in the same place? Huh? No. So reshuffling means what? Reorganizing the data. What is the syntax here? Syntax you see? Come on. Random dot shuffle of what? Iterable that to mutable object. Iterable mutable object. It is not possible to reorganizing the elements of immutable object. It is reorganizing the values of what? Only values of what? mutable object, because in the same place only values will be placed, but not for which objects? Immutable objects. That means, strictly speaking, it is possible to reorganizing the elements of list only. All other elements are not possible to reorganize. Let me go to the example session for you. Come on, take S is equal to. S is equal to. What is I am taking now? What happens? You are the host now. Okay. So I am already host now only. Yes. Students is online. Am I audible to you? Okay. So, coming to the point back. S is equal to what I am taking? Python. Python. You say print of what? S comma type of S. What is the type? str. My dear students, or dot shuffle. It is not going to return any value. It will reorganize the elements in same object. Say what? S. It is error. What is S? Mutable or immutable? str is immutable. Already told you. S or dot shuffle of S. Error. str object does not support. That means S values cannot possible to rearrange in the same address. Not possible at all. That means str data is not possible to shuffle. Next after that what? Bytes. Also not possible. Byte array possible because it is a mutable. Range not possible. Range is also what? Immutable. Go to tuple you take it. TPL is equal to list last I will use it. 10 comma rs comma 34.56 comma Python comma true. True. You say true. You see students, print of this shuffle of what? TPL you say. TPL you say error. Tuple object does not support. Not possible. Go to once again, this is you say immediately S1 you say. S1 curly brace you see. Print of S1 you say. S1 you see students error. Why? Set is belongs to both mutable and any immutable property is there, it will not support students. Purely it should be mutable. See that error. S of set object is not subscriptable. Set does not allow indexing. So definitely it is not rearranging means what? Index shifting is required. So not possible. Frozen set is also definitely not possible. Possible? Compulsory not possible. Next. D1 is equal to 10 colon Python, 10 colon Python, 20 colon Java, 30 colon what you know ADV Java. This is what happens, ma? Okay, beginning I put it. Okay, D1, it is called dictionary. Go for shuffling it. D1 you write it. Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Possible. Okay, your course is Python. Somebody's course is Java. They are shifting Java to your place and Python is shifting to other course. Possible or not possible? So I already told you, in the not possible because keys are immutable always. Value of values are changing, but values of keys are always immutable. Simple, your account number, your balance. My account number, my balance. So the bank people want to reshuffling the balances. Would you like to reshuffle? Luckily you are getting 0.0 balance of somebody else. Will you allow? So reshuffling of dictionary also not possible. See, not possible. X of ij is equal to xji, multi-line assignment, multi-line swapping. Swapping means what? Rearranging the values. Is it possible? Not arranging. See that not even one object reshuffling is allowed. What is allowed? Only list. Come on to the final point you come. I will take it L is equal to L1 is equal to, this is called list. Print L1 comma ID of L1. Okay. Now you shuffle it. What is that? L1. L1, you take it. It is rearranging the elements in L1 only. It is not going to return the result. Print L1 again. See, it is rearranged or not? At which address? Again you call it. Again you reshuffle it, students. Print it. Again reshuffled or not? Which address? Again you reshuffle it and print it. Again you reshuffle it and print it. Again you reshuffle it and print it. Are you getting my point? This reshuffling mechanisms not at all same. Reshuffling means what? Reorganizing the elements of the given iterable mutable object, that too. And important. Are you following?
Yes.
So, coming to the point of it, one dangerous example I will give you. This is one thing. You already understand this word. Go to this place. Now I am going to say one beautiful word I am going to say, students. Please follow me carefully. So I am going to write it. Program for generating. Program for what is that? Shuffling the values. Shuffling the values. Okay. Shuffle example 1.py. LST is equal to the data. I will take the data which is already there with you now. I will take it. So I don't want to waste much time because I want to tell you multiple examples. Okay. So this is my data which is available. Now I want to for some combinations of reshuffling values. For I in range of what? 1 comma some 6 I want 5 combination, students. What I do? Tell me. R dot, what is this now? Import random as what? R. R dot what? Random of LST. Print what? Sorry. What is this now? Shuffle.
List.
Shuffle off. Right. Shuffle off LST. Print off what? LST. Are you following? I am shuffling it. Shuffling in where? LST. I need to print the LST. Before LST, after LST. Now shuffling possibilities I am going to print it. So see that. Coming to the point of it, in this place, you come out py shuffle example. Is it not possibilities of shuffling? Multiple possibilities are coming or not? At which address? Yes. So which one can shuffling can be done? What do you mean by shuffling? Reorganizing the elements and placing the reorganized elements in the same object is known as what? Shuffling. Understand? Very good. Now I am going to say, students, this is called what you know? Shuffle example 1.py. See students, I'll take this example. Go for it. Somebody is asking, shuffle example 2, you go for what? See, S is equal to Mississippi. I want to reorganize this Mississippi in multiple combinations. What you will do? Is it possible to do like this? Possible or not possible? Not possible. You see what is happening. You save this example, error will come. Already shown you one line answer at a time. So come out of that, you see shuffle example 2.py, error. What should I do now? Please convert this into LST. How do I do? List of. Yes. List of what? Yes. So print the LST. You print LST 1 minute. It is going to print. You keep this data. For your better understanding, you keep that LST. Each value is treated as one value in the LST. M1 value, S1 value, like that. You execute that. You see Mississippi Different values are there or not?
Yes.
Yes. Go to this, my dear students. For loop you write it. You see ma, here I am writing what? LST I am writing. You print that LST. You will get some output which you will get a little tension in that. Mississippi. And next is what? Something is coming. Are they following? But I don't want to print like that. I want to print what? You remove this data. How? Very dangerous. Come on. What should I do? S is equal to, what I am doing? S is equal to, what should I do? Some space I will do it. After reshuffling, let it be after reshuffling, what I do? S is equal to, some space I am writing. S is equal to, S dot. There is a function I taught to you already. What is that? Join function. Print of what? Yes. Backslash T. For all these things, our intelligence is required. Intelligence will come only by reading the notes. Now go for that. Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. How many times? 6 times. I want to go for what? LN of what?
Yes.
Yes, times I want. What a beautiful logic.
Wow, they beautiful.
What a beautiful logic. Understand? This is subject. Saurav Kale. Are you following me? Are you following me? Now. Yes, following. Are you getting? Yes. Enter any word. Enter any word. Multiple combinations of arrangements. What this function is called? Shuffling. Shuffling means what? Reorganizing the elements of each object.
Beautiful object.
Beautiful. Next. What is the next? Easy. Easy. Sampling. Sampling. In choice, if you look at choice, if you look at our example, students, when you look at this example, choice 2, choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. Why choice 1 multiple times plus I said? Because choice can select only one random selection at a time. Right or not? Now, sample will do what? It will allows us to take multiple samples randomly. Multiple samples randomly. Sir, how to do that, sir? Syntax, you tell me, sir. Syntax. Random dot sample of what? Iterable object, comma, k is equal to number of samples. Number of samples. Actually, k is one of the probability term. Do you know probability? Do you know probability? Do you know or not? Who knows probability? Raise your hand.
I know probability.
రేజ్ చేసేంత లేదా? ఊరికే తెలుసు.
Right చేస్తే
Okay. So, k is equal to is called what? Number of possibilities. So, iterable object and then possibility. Let me show you one line answer. LKG answer. S is equal to what here? Python. S is equal to. Right. Shekhar. Saying don't take risk, guys. He is suggesting you. Because when you raise your hand, KVR sir will say stand up and you will ask some question. So Shekhar is saying in advance, don't take risk, guys. So take risk, guys. Take risk. Feel the experience. Don't want to take? If you don't take risk, how can you enjoy that? Shekhar? Now coming to the point of it. R dot sample of S comma S comma 2 I will say. What is the meaning of 2? From S, select any 2 samples. Choice will give you what? Only one thing. Tell the answer. What is that? YP. Next is what? YO. Next is what? HN. Next is like this. Next I will take 3 samples. 3 samples. I am going to take it. 3 see the samples. If I go for choice, how many times I write? Choice plus choice. it is going to be most flexible or not? Are you following, students?
వీడేంది
Go to,
బాగా?
go to iterable object, sample. K represents what? Number of samples. You can also write, K is equal to, I can write K is equal to, what is this concept called? Keyword arguments concept. Long ago, there was a keyword arguments concept. Sweet memories of functions. So, see that it is going to give you the data.
Sweet memories
Are able to follow? If you write the value called 0, it will give you, if you write is equal to 0, it is going to give you what? Empty. Nothing is going to be selecting. If we write nothing is written over there, it will give you missing one required positional argument K. I did not specify. K is the internal parameter name, argument name. Are you following? So, go to the sample example here. This example is there now. I want to select this. What I am doing, you see? Go to the place. Now I am writing here. Go to this place. Here. What is this example? Sample example1.py. Okay. Now do that. Tell me. What should I do? R dot sample of, come on students, LST1 comma 1. LST1 comma 1. Actually LST1 contains what? 2. I will select 1. Okay. Plus R dot sample of, come on ma, LST of 2 comma what? 1. Only 1. Comma plus R dot sample of ALPHS alpha comma what? 2. Okay. Plus R dot sample of digits comma, yes, digits comma 4. Is it okay?
ఎట్లెట్లో ఉండదు
Yes.
స్నానం చేసినట్టు
So,
ఉండదు.
coming to this. So, Naveen Kumar, anywhere else we will take risks, sir, but not, okay. No problem, students. I am very much interested on your things to know about what you know. Okay, students, PY, see that. Getting the data or not? But what is happening here? It is coming just like a list. What should I do? These things, I need to join them. Do you know how to join them? Yes. You must know how to join them. You need to know how to join them. Will you join it? Will you join or not? You have to join it. Separately you need to join. This value you need to join. This value you need to join. This value you need to join. All the values need to join one by one. Will you join now? So take care about that joining part of it. First you need, this is an output. So first we need to take care about this joining part. These two things I will join. It is what called what? Two things are coming. One from here, one is coming. You join it. Next one more is coming, you join it. Like that we need to join all these values. Will you join it? So you need to join those kind of values.
నాలుగే మాత్రమే
So here if you see the output, these two things and these two things, if you join it, you will get the output of it. This is comes under what mechanism, students? Sampling mechanisms we can call. So I am having little doubt about it. Will you join or unable to join now? Who will join? Raise your hands. Okay. Tell me, stand up once. This is one. Because you are having confidence, but I will get a doubt about sometimes. Tell me, this is your sample data. Keep it in a rough work. I will write it. In a rough sheet, I will write it. Okay. This is called a rough sheet. Okay. This is your output, which I am expecting. Okay. How do you join it? Tell me. Empty. Okay. S is equal to empty. Okay. Good. LST dot join of LST 1 dot join of S. So completely wrong answer. That is wrong answer. You are joining with S with list or list with join, my dear student. Tell me now. S dot join of LST. What you will get it with this? This is also wrong answer. This is also wrong answer. Okay, sit down now. Now I understand. Now I understood. Wrong answer, ma. That is the wrong answer. Now I am going to say, come on, this is going to give you what? Don't take risk. I will tell you. I will explain like a small kids for you. Okay, L1 is equal to. Okay, now L2 is equal to. Don't take risk of it. Because by looking at you, I can understand what you can do, what you cannot do. L3 is equal to. L3 is equal to.
చేద్దాంలే కానీ
I will take it. Because by looking at you, because I am there in the field of teaching from so many years now, I can understand each and every part of your moments in your teaching line. Once you come to your my class now, I will scan you. What is my student performance? So that psychological power we have in my PhD also. Research methodology subject is there along with the original subject. Okay, anyhow students, you print L1, L2, L3, L4. 1 minute I will print L1 for sample data, only to test it. Only to test it. Sample example 2.py. Just to see, so that you can understand it. Py, what is coming? Okay, it is expecting to terminate. What is coming? AP, so many times it is coming, right or not? Why? Because it is going to be inside of what? Looping. Inside of looping, right or not? Yes. So these many times it is coming. Okay. That value to be concatenated with what? LST2 also I will print it. LST2 also I will print it. So what I do is, if you follow me carefully, some RTA is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4. My source said very long back, extend function along with the plus operator. Do you remember that? Extend function with the plus operator. This is becoming a single list or not? Very beautiful. Now you remove that. Now you say, student, what is that? S is equal to S dot what? Join of what? RTA. Print of what? S. Beautiful. Beautiful. Output is coming or not? Sir, some gap is there, sir. Some gap is there, sir. I don't want a gap, sir. Remove that gap, sir. Now see that. Every part is there in your hands. If you move the wheel left side will go, right side will go. Programming is so powerful. Are you following me? So if you give a small space, it is going to give you the space. Easy or difficult? Easy. What I did, I just extended my things. You can also write L1 dot extend of L2 dot extend of L3 dot extend of L4. All of them extended into one list. That list I am going to join with what? String. Getting. That's why programming. That is your investment in the company. That's why they will give 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. The more you intelligence you keep it, the more salary you will get it. That is your property increasing.
Yes.
No knowledge,
Increasing.
no assets. Are you politician to get something corruption? No. And corrupted money will not be there for a long time. And in your power you are enjoying, but after power they put it in somewhere else behind the bars. That is also called insult or not? That's why. You are believing your education, prove by yourself in education. Did you understand this mechanism, students? So, you need to take care. This is about what functions? Random. So, randint, rand range and etc. Did you understand today's lecture? Now read out. The purpose of random module is to generate random values. Random values in the form of shuffling, random values in the case of choice, random values in the case of sampling, random values in the case of floating point values, random values in the case of what? Integers. Is it called randomized values or not? Yes, this is about what? Today's class. I will upload these notes perfectly and read out. And my dear students, I'll stop the class. Now it is 7:28. Now tomorrow 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Holidays. Holidays. So it's not jolly days. Practicing days. Right. And 18th, 6 p.m., 6 p.m. as usual. I'll say 6:10. I'll say good evening to everybody. Good evening to everybody. You need to say also good evening, sir. If you say in your home and all those things, good evening, nothing is there, nothing is there. So moreover, 9 a.m. a new Python batch is starting. 9 a.m. new Python batch is starting. Any friends are there, tell them. So happy Sankranti for all of you. Happy Pongal holidays. And don't move here and there. Practice the examples. Practice students. Don't move here and there. Want to go out or what? Want to come here? No. So already Shekhar said, don't take risk, guys. Okay. Anyhow, students, online students, we practice it. Don't forget this 5 days total Python notes. Keep it into full locker and then don't enjoy. Open it and try to do the practicing. Otherwise, garbage collector will collect away everything. 1 day gap is coming for students, they will go out of order. That's why daily 6 to 8 sit properly and read. Instead of 6 to 8, if you want to go out and roaming here and there, you go for 4 to 6 or 7 to 9 early morning. It's 2 hours you read daily. Okay, now, right. Thank you, students. Now we will go for moving on. Meet on 18th. Thank you. Take care. Online students, if you want, you can ask, you can wait up to I can speak to you. I'll speak to you, wait.
ఏ ఇది ఎట్లా ఆఫ్ చేసేది చూపిద్దురా రికార్డింగ్ అయింటుందో లేదో మళ్ళీ మనం కట్ చేసి ఈరోజు 7:30కే క్లోజ్ చేసిందా అది రికార్డింగ్ది పక్కన ఏమేమో చేసేస్తున్నాను కదా